What's going on YouTube? Jason Whitaker, DIY Dad, back for another video, and today we're in the backyard. You see behind me, we got a whole lot of dirt, some debris, and let me show you what's going on. Okay. That's the reason. 2021, we're putting in a pool. So we had a pool in our last house when we were living in Massachusetts. Absolutely loved it. Our kids were water babies. So they just love hanging out in the water. They love playing in the water. So wanted another pool. So we're putting this one in our house here in Indiana that we just bought in December of 2020. So let's talk about the pool a little bit and what we're doing. So the pool is going to be 16 feet wide by 32 feet long. And if you can see right here, you see that open space. We're putting in a 6-foot sun deck on this pool. No slides, no diving board. The pool is going to be 6 foot deep at the deep end. So with water, it's going to be around 5.5 feet from bottom to top. And we're going to do a concrete border all the way around. So this is going to be the shallow end. We're going to have one step down, and then you're going to be one more step down to a sun deck. The sun deck is going to span across the entire pool, 16 feet. And then you'll step down into the pool, and then one more step all the way down, and then it'll gradually go all the way down to roughly 5.5 feet of water. So this is going to be a vinyl pool. We've dug this hole. We started putting in our bracing and all of our steel for this pool. This is going to be a vinyl pool with we picked like this Shoal Creek type of vinyl to give it like an aqua green color, something different. We're also choosing to go borderless with the vinyl, and then over here we're going to do the concrete pad. So right off of our patio, excuse the mess as we're under construction, but if you see my previous video where we did the water feature, we're just simply going to add 4 feet of concrete on this side here. We're going to put 8 feet of concrete on this side here, adjoining the current patio. That's some of our old irrigation tubing that we've dug up. And then we're going to do 2 feet of concrete on the far side, and over here on the deep end, we're going to do 3 to 4 feet of concrete here, just to make this symmetrical with this corner here on this end. So very big project here in 2020. We're thinking that we might have this done before the end of August. Things are definitely moving along, but with any project outside, you know, you're always having to fight the weather and fight the rain. So you can see where the steps are coming out of the deep end. Skimmer is going to go there at the rectangle. There's going to be a jet there, jet on this side. We're putting lights on the deep end to shine to the shallow end. So that should look really cool. LED lights, turn colors, whatever we wanted to do. Another thing that we've opted for is the auto hard cover, or the auto pool cover. So we're gonna put a pad over here by the back door, and then we can close and open the pool from that pad with a 4 to 6 digit code. Like I said before, my kids know how to swim, but I do have a 1-year-old daughter and another son on the way. So I want to make sure that my kids, when they're in the backyard, don't access the pool on accident and we have an accident in the pool. So this auto cover that we're putting on is for safety. We also have a 6-foot privacy fence all the way around our property for anybody else trying to get in to our backyard. But safety is the name of the game. And essentially when you close this auto cover on the pool, you can literally walk across it. So not only is it going to protect our kids, it's going to protect it from leaves, debris. I could also close it when we're not using it to trap the heat inside to keep the pool warm. And in the fall, when the leaves come off of trees, I'm not gonna have a bunch of debris in the pool. So speaking of equipment, what we're also gonna do is a pad right off of this patio. So we're gonna do essentially like a 4-foot by 8-foot pad here. You can kind of see some of the orange marks. I already have a gas line. I'm gonna put another line out here like this for a pool heater. We're going to do a natural gas pool here for our pool, the filter, and we're going to go with a saltwater system. We have very hard water here in central Indiana, so I'm going to use a saltwater system. Not only is it better for the pool, it's also better for your skin, and very easy maintenance with a saltwater system. So again, here's some images of some of the bracing. Still work in progress, obviously. If you're wondering what that is, we put a sump. We dug an extra deep hole on the deep end, and we put a sump pump down there, so if it does rain, our soon to be pool is going to be full of water, so we can continue to work and it stays relatively dry. So there it is. The Whitakers are going nuts in 2021. So super excited. If you don't know us personally, my oldest son's birthday is coming up at the beginning of September. So I'm hoping to have this pool ready for his birthday party. Thank you for watching. I'm Jason Whitaker, the DIY Dad. If you like videos like this, DIY projects, home projects, please make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll keep making videos of this pool build as we progress, and so you can see all the different steps and what it takes to build a pool. So also here in the backyard, we got to do a lawn renovation after we get all this dirt leveled out and removed. So that'll be another project for this fall that I'm going to do in conjunction with the overseed project for the front lawn. So any of those things intrigue you, please make sure you like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification, and I'll catch you in the next video.